Dear students, we will use phrases in simple English sentences. Bring back, that means get it back, my dear friends. Bring back the item. Break down, now the car is breakdown. You can use that phrase. Take off, that means take it off. Go off, please get away from me. Bring about the news on this particular topic, like that you can use bring about. Go in for new versions of this software, that means you go for a new software. Set off, set it off, my dear friend. Similarly, put it out, that means close it down. We can use look out for your new house, that means search for a new house. Take back the money from me, that means you take the money back from me. Hold up, please keep up your words, hold up your words, like that you can use. Get down, my dear friends, get down from the company, you can use, or get down from the vehicle, that means to come down from the vehicle or leave the company. That is the meaning of it. So these are the simple phrases you can use in a day-to-day simple spoken English. Hope you enjoy these. Look for more tutorial in this regard. Have a great day.